Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Apple ID used for the purchase. Make sure you are signed into the App Store and iCloud on this device. Next, verify network stability, switch Wi-Fi off and on, or use cellular data to rule out connectivity. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then Payment and Shipping to view the payment method. If outdated or expired, update now. This step prevents immediate declines and sets the scene for the next actions. Now you focus on billing and app state. Update the card number, CVV, billing address, and expiration date, and save changes. Then, review your purchase history for pending charges that might block new ones. Disputes or unpaid items can cause declines. Make sure device software and the App Store are fully updated, because outdated clients can misinterpret errors. Once done, force quit the App Store, reopen it, and attempt the purchase again to finish by retrying the purchase, and if it fails, add a different card or temporarily use another Apple ID to isolate the problem. Make sure to contact your bank to check for authorization holds, daily limits, or fraud blocks. They can release a pending hold in minutes. If those steps don't resolve it, contact Apple support, provide the transaction ID and screenshots, and request a payment review or refund. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, remove and re-add the card, restart the device, and retry after 24-48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.